Hello guys, I go by the name of Babalo Oramkunu. Ngihamba noSiphelele lana from White Angels Choir. uSiphelele lana bekafuna ukusho i-message from ku-Margaret 12 wethu ayizobhala kusasa.
Sanibonani guys, asibashiwe mina nguSiphelele wakwaNhlapho. Kuma khona la esigodini saseKhrizana. I mean, the message I'm from which it's good dark and
Kokomo, Imaliko, now we overseas, we some animals. Icon, Lippy, thought spend a mole, now go cherry back.
Also, shout out to Hustle Makers 1520 TV. Yeah, I have not shout out to Margaret 12 Pella. Wonke Margaret, guys. Wonke Margaret. Azobala from tomorrow until then. Good luck to you all. And we send us so proud, especially you need to make us proud. Amen.